The following portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Good Day Kansas. We're here in Pleasant View, of course, at Stutzman's today with the one and only Ben Miller. Ben, it's always a pleasure.
Always a pleasure having you folks here.
Yes.
And what we're doing today is talking about our flat sale, which it's an annual event that we have. Obviously, we grow everything here, but our flat sale is your choice combination, however you'd like to mix them up. 6 packs of annuals to a flat.
Okay.
And you can mix
so
and
this
match
is a flat.
No, this is a pack.
Oh.
It'll be 6 of these into a
In
flat.
one flat.
This is what.
That's a flat.
This is what a flat would look like.
Okay.
And I just grabbed one of our marigolds, which.
Oh, that's so pretty.
You know, and you asked me the question a little bit ago. What is my favorite flower?
Yeah.
You know, when you've been in this for as long as what we have, I think everything has strengths.
Yeah.
And I am partial, obviously, to plant material that really does well in the sun, and marigold is definitely one of them. Probably still my number one go-to with our Kansas heat would be any of the series of Vinca.
Oh, okay.
That just are amazing.
Yeah.
But with the, you can mix and match any way that you would like, 6 packs per, and it's just a great way to just really kick off your garden.
Ben, that's such a great deal. So how many plants will people actually be getting?
Actually, there's 36 plants to a flat of 6 packs. 6 packs, 36.
Okay, yeah, we can do the math,
There
right?
we go. But no, it's a great savings. And you can, like I said, you can do shade plants, you can do full sun plants, all in a flat. But it's just a great way to really get your garden kicked off.
So how long will this sale be going on?
This will be going on from now till the 26th of April.
Okay, sounds good. So all of your garden centers across the state are open, but we have an exciting announcement now about a brand new garden center, right?
New location for us is on Central and Andover Road. We're really excited about that because I think it's going to be a wonderful market for us. We do get quite a few from Andover to our Cambridge location. But I think this is going to be great. Yeah,
so exciting. I cannot wait to go check that out, as well as many other across the state. Ben, how can people find information about the flat sale or anything else you have going on?
Always go to stutzmans.com and or on Facebook. We're pretty up on keeping everything up to date on that, doing very well.
All right, well, I am so excited. My favorite time of year here at Stutzman's. Thanks for being with us today.
Thank you so much.
Yep, more of the show after the break.
The preceding portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's.
The days are getting longer and the temperatures are getting warmer, and it's a great time to start planting flowers. Hi, this is Ben Miller. It's time for a full flat sale at Stutzman's. Mix or match 6 packs for only $17.99. Choose from many of your favorites: begonias, coleus, impatiens, gazanias, salvia, petunias, and the most heat-tolerant loving plant, Vinca, all that perform very well in our Kansas climate. Visit one of our 12 garden centers today and find us on Facebook or Stutzmans.com.
A Stutzman's greenhouse, everything's green.